What's up, everybody? Today we are out here at Deer Creek doing some early fall fishing. We're targeting walleye and perch. So stay tuned and let's catch some fish. I'm getting bit right here. Just fishing a little jig right off the bottom. See if we can hook whatever this is. Oh, got a hit. I don't know if you saw that. There we go. Got it. It's fighting like a bluegill. Oh, it is a bluegill. Interesting. You don't see many of those in Deer Creek. Not bad. Just using this little orange tiger jigging spoon. Tipping it with a teeny piece of night crawler. There's a big school of fish on the finder, so I'm going to drop this jig down again. Okay, we're on the bottom, and we got a fish. Very nice. Another bluegill, feels like. It's a smallie. Alright, I was having a lot of fish get off, so I switched to this grubby jig. These things work amazing, even if the bait falls off, the fish bite it. If you're interested in making lures, I have another channel where I show you how to make this jig. It's amazing for ice fishing or vertical jigging. Let's drop it down there. Got something?
Bluegill!
Yeah, I've caught a couple bluegill too. I'm over a school right now.
I don't fish Deer Creek very much this time, so.
Got something. Another bluegill.
Those are gonna get big next year.
Here's a fish. Bluegill. Ooh. Got a big school of fish on the sonar. Getting hit already. There we go. Feels like another bluegill. Yep, it's swimming in circles. Wow, that's the biggest one so far, though. Wow, not bad at all. Look at that chunk. What we got here? Bluegill or smallie? Bluegill. Whoa, whoa. This one's got a nice peachy color on its breast. That is beautiful. Look at the purples. That's a nice looking fish. Another chunk. Look at that. These are such quality fish. So thick. There's a little smallie. Okay, bye. I just caught this fishing rod. Rod and reel combo. It's intact. Got something. Something bigger than a bluegill. Nice walleye. Nice walleye.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We will see you next time.